Are you ready for the best Haas tooling sale you've ever seen? A Black Friday sale with some real savings? How about a Winter Circle membership for only $10? You already know that we offer some of the best prices in the business on quality tooling. Well, our Black Friday sale is making those deals even more unbelievable. That's because we're discounting pretty much everything we sell. In other words, that's 8,000 tools on sale. Speaking of tools, here are some real doorbusters, like this CT40 ER32 collet chuck. Normally $70, now just $26. How about a real favorite? The Haas work holding by Kurt 6-inch vise. Regularly $800, sale price $649.97. That's $150 off. And even the big stuff's on sale, like this Haas shoplift. Regularly $1,500, right now $999.97. That's a cool $500 off. So you can see this sale runs the gamut. Amazing deals on everything we sell. But we're also offering our super popular Winter Circle program for just $10 right now. That would have cost you $100 a little while ago, and it was still a great bargain then. Winter Circle gets you 5% off everything we sell, including these Black Friday prices and any other promotion we're running. So don't miss out on these great deals. Head to HaasTooling.com and order the tooling you need, save a bundle of cash, and join the Winter Circle for just $10.